We're going for grimy cold start of the Audi, but
as ever we got battery issues.
we got battery issues, so we went for a donor vehicle, and she's got battery issues.
Have we got a connection? That's not sounding good.
She's sounding tight.
Oh, you piece of shit! This is the only battery. I've just put the other one in the fucking Audi. Back out the fucking Audi. Fuck's sake.
Well, that was a...
Before we even start cranking the Audi. Or should we just go for a cold start in it?
Let's just go for a cold start.
Flatten this battery and then we'll be fucked out of it. How long's this been sat?
Oh, I don't know. Month or two? Several months.
The only trouble is, it was parked here, aired up with no fuel. Still aired up with no fuel. I don't need any fuel in this. I'll just drop it down on level. Brakes aren't working too good. If the lift pump does fuck all in this thing, I don't think it does, does it?
No.
Might have to get the ether out there. I done the other day. Got the pipe all off ready.
Right, if in doubt. No, we definitely haven't got no diesel here yet. Oh, fuck it.
Somebody overheated.
I do. Fuck's sakes. Struggle now. Oh, the poor starter. Oh, the ring gear got right there. Oh, I think we've almost killed that battery already.
I think we have. Fuck's sakes, that battery is never that good, is it?
No, it's fucking shite. Oh, for fuck's sakes. This is what happens if you put too much ether in a diesel, particularly a DI. Trouble is, it fires too quick. And it's like running a petrol with too much spark timing. Right, save that battery, it might just fire the shotgun. Although I'm doubtful. Right. Well, I'll leave the one on it.
Oh yeah, sure.
Right, she's had a bit of juice. As you might be able to see, yeah, whoops. Giving her a bit of a prime, filled the fuel filter up, cracked a few injectors, and let's see what's going to happen. Chris can have this.
On jump leads, as you can see.
Boy, it fucked me, it's diesel work.
It's firing.
Fuck me, how was that diesel work so quick?
I don't know, it's weird, isn't it? Watch this.
We must have dragged him up with the ether then. Fuck me, Andy, burn him up white.
That was insane.
Move the throttle out the way.